tidy up.
You need a lot of pins at the ready for their beehive, don't you?
You do, yeah.
I think I've seen about 35 going so far.
Yeah. I mean, you know, once again, it is all dependent on the hair. You know, the less hair, the less pins, basically. I mean, obviously, you know, we know this is quite a dramatic style, so you need plenty of pins to hold the hair. Be careful not to pull bits out. Right now, the fashion seems to be for slightly more natural looks. So not too perfect, not too royal, and we can start to individualize the style just by pulling a few bits of hair out and down and just arranging them so that you can individualize the style a little more. Not enough height, pop your comb in, lift the hair. Too much height, just get your smoothing brush, just smooth the hair down. Again. Personally, I prefer it big, so that's what it's all about. It's all about the beehive, big hair, 60s, set hair. Okay, thank you.
Fantastic. How's it feel?
It feels amazing. Yeah, it's
You
fantastic.
look great. Let me just take a few shots of it.